Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies to compare two high-flying contenders, the Gloral drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter and the fake jank brushless motor drone. Who's ready for some drone drama? First up, the camera. Gloral's got a 4K integrated camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cameras, versatile, sharp, and makes you feel like a pro photographer. Meanwhile, FocJank offers a 1080p HD camera with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. That's right, it's motorized, folks. It's like the camera equivalent of a lazy boy recliner. Reviewers say that Gloral delivers high-quality images and videos, making it great for aerial photography and videography. FocJank, on the other hand, is praised for its good pictures, but criticized for its shaky video quality. So if you're into capturing every leaf on a tree in 4K, Gloral's your guy. But if you want a camera that adjusts angles like it's on a swivel chair, FocJank's got you covered. Next, let's talk flight modes and features. Gloral has more intelligent flight modes than a Mensa meeting. GPS follow, route planning, fly around 360 degrees. You name it, Gloral's got it. FocJank, not to be outdone, offers one key takeoff/landing, headless mode, altitude hold, and even 3D flips. It's like the drone equivalent of a circus act. Reviewers love Gloral for its stable flying and ease of use, while FocJank gets points for its fun and easy-to-use features. Gloral is like that straight-A student who's also the captain of the chess club. Super smart, but a little too serious. FocJank, on the other hand, is the class clown who can juggle, do flips, and still ace the test. Who wouldn't want to see a drone do a flip? When it comes to battery life, Gloral's got 2 batteries, giving you up to 46 minutes of flight time. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite TV show. FocJank didn't disclose the exact flight time, but with its brushless motors, you can expect it to keep going and going like the Energizer Bunny. Reviewers appreciate Gloral's long battery life and reliable performance, while FocJank's brushless motors are praised for their durability. So Gloral gives you more flight time, but FocJank's brushless motors ensure it won't burn out after a long flight. It's like choosing between a marathon runner and a sprinter. Both have their perks, but it depends on what you need. Now, let's talk design. Gloral is compact and portable, with foldable arms and lightweight construction. It's the drone equivalent of a Swiss backpacker, ready to go anywhere. FocJank, while not explicitly stated, looks sleek and sturdy, like the drone version of a bodybuilder who also does yoga. Reviewers find Gloral easy to pack and carry, while FocJank's sturdy design is appreciated for its robustness. If you're planning to travel and need something that's easy to pack, Gloral's your go-to. But if you want something that looks good while flexing its muscles in the sky, FocJank's your guy. Finally, the price. Gloral comes in at $179, while FocJank is a steal at $119. That's a $60 difference, folks. You could buy a lot of pizza with that extra cash. Or, more drone accessories. Reviewers feel that Gloral is worth the investment for its features and performance, while FocJank is seen as a budget-friendly option that still offers a lot of fun. So if you're on a budget but still want some high-flying fun, FocJank won't disappoint. But if you're willing to shell out a bit more for those extra features, Gloral is worth the investment. Reviewers generally praise the Gloral drone for its high-quality camera, stable flying, and long battery life, making it a great investment for aerial photography and videography. On the other hand, the FocJank drone is appreciated for its affordability, fun features and durable brushless motors, though it has some issues like shaky video quality and occasional connectivity problems. So which drone wins the battle of the skies? That's up to you to decide. Whether you go with the feature-packed Gloral or the budget-friendly Fokjank, you're sure to have a blast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart.